Boss, paano naman kung may pumuporma na sa babaeng gusto ko, may magagawa pa ba ako? Sana manotice.
Siyempre naman, sigarilyo.
Tatandaan mo, hanggat hindi sila exclusive, wala naman sigurong masama if you're gonna try your luck with the girl. Kasi malamang sa malamang na malaman na palaman na alamang, sa stage na to, yung babae ay namimili pa. Namimili pa siya kung sino ba talaga yung man enough para sa taste niya. But mind you, depending sa level of attraction sa'yo ni girl, ay itetest ka ng babae if you're really man enough for her. If you're an alpha male or a beta male. And just to give you a hint, women are attracted to alpha males. Kasi hardwired na talaga sila dito. Some of the tests na ginagawa ng mga babae, isa dyan ay yung matagal silang mag-reply. They do this to see what you will do kung hindi sila mag-reply kaagad sa'yo. If you will get unglued na ba kaagad, or totally indifferent ka lang. Meaning, magdo-double text ka ba sa kanya ng paulit-ulit kung hindi siya mag-reply sa'yo? Na para kang aso na tatanga-tanga na pahabol-habol sa kanya. Or, if you will just be chill with it and wait for her reply. Steady ka lang. Yung tipong hindi ka apektado kung mag-reply man siya or hindi. Because remember, if her attraction level for you is high enough, magre-reply at magre-reply naman yun sa'yo. This will communicate with the girl na super high yung confidence mo. And confidence ay malakas makapogi fire yan, sigarilyo. Believe you me. Pero lagi nyo tatandaan ha, kung liligawan mo siya,
Huwag lang yung puro chat lang, kaibigan.
ask her out on a date. Lagi ko na yung sinasabi sa channel ko na phones are only used for setting dates. Ask her out on a date soon. Kasi dun mo talaga makikita kung para ba talaga kayo sa isa't isa.
Doon mo makikita at mararamdaman mo ang vibes niya. Kung siya ba talaga yung babaeng gusto mong
Jowain. Mga pinag-iisip nyo talaga mga sigarilyo ha. Another tip that I could give you is do not lock her up in a relationship kapag nagkaigihan na kayo sa isa't isa. Yung sabihin na natin your date went well with her. Tapos nagkatsok-tsaka na kayo. Most of the guys kasi ang ginagawa nila, feeling ng lalaki sila na. Guys, it doesn't work that way anymore. Let's face it. So having said that, do not confess your feelings for her. Kasi she already knows that you're interested in her naman eh. Kasi nga you're already asking her on dates and stuff. Ay, excuse me Lord. Let her come to you. She will give out subtle hints naman sa'yo if she wants exclusivity na sa'yo. Halimbawa, sasabihin niya na,
Ikaw ha, baka marami ka pa rin dinedate hanggang ngayon.
Ha? What do you mean? Ibig mo bang sabihin na hindi na ako pwede makipag-date sa ibang babae? So do you mean na gusto mo na talaga makipag-exclusive sa akin?
Yes.
Another tip sa'yo, sigarilyo ha. It goes without saying naman do not chase her. There will come a point in your courtship na all of a sudden, she will pull away and it seems like parang nagiging cold na siya sa'yo. Generally, she seems distant to you na. Do not panic. Most often than not, she is just testing you kung ano ba talaga ang gagawin mo sa sitwasyong ganun. Kung hahabulin mo ba siya, or you'll just be indifferent about it. Do not chase. Just be indifferent about it. Yung tipong chill ka lang and confident ka na babalik siya sa'yo. Just keep focusing on your missions in life. Kung nag-aaral ka, focus yourself on your studies. If you usually hang out with your friends during the weekends, then yeah, keep doing that. You can even take pictures with your friends during the weekends and post them on Facebook, showing na you're just indifferent with what she's doing sa'yo. And if you're going to the gym a lot, just keep doing that. Huwag ka naman yung tipong lalaki na nag-pull out lang saglit yung babaeng nililigawan niya, magpo-post ka na sa Facebook kaagad ng, I miss you. Tapos magpo-post ka sa story mo ng sad song. Tapos yung caption I miss you. Inang yan. Quit that shit, bro. Do not do that shit. You are being a weak ass male if you do that. Man up, bro. Focus on your purpose in life. Keep doing what you're doing whether she's there or not. Ngayon, if you're just indifferent sa pag-pull away sa'yo ng babae and hindi ka naghabol sa kanya, 9 times out of 10, she will get back to you and babalik yung pagka-sweet niya sa'yo. Kasi you passed her test. Mas tataas na ang value mo sa mata ng babaeng yun. Therefore, kung may ibang lalaking nanliligaw sa kanya na hahabol-habol lang and displayed a weak-ass male behavior like I mentioned earlier, ikaw ang pipiliin niya. Kasi mas valuable ka na sa mata ng babae. You acted like an alpha male. You are confident. You are starting to be a high-value man. Good luck sa'yo and follow for more, and don't forget to subscribe to my YT channel. Link in my bio.